Okay, good morning, class. Sorry for the delay. I had a class. Anyways, let's begin. Did we start with the flow of
Ma'am, unable to hear you.
I said, did we start with the flow of communication?
Ma'am, uh, yes, ma'am, we started. Ma'am, before beginning, can you tell us that what we have to do in assignment? If we have
I
to
will.
make a speech or something.
Yes, I will do everything. Just let me, complete with the flow of communication. It's a short thing. I have already explained things to you. It's
Yes,
just
ma'am.
one page document that I need to explain, and then
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
come back to the assignment. Okay.
Yes,
I guess we are not having our classes on Thursday and Friday as per the notice yesterday. And then again, we have a class when on Saturday, which is a Thursday timetable, right? So
Ma'am,
Thursday
is
we
that
have.
notice official? Is
Yes, yes, that's notice and official notice.
okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is let me just finish with this just one page document and then I'll come back. Okay. I'm not sharing my screen. What is your next class?
Ma'am,
What class?
computer practical.
मैम सी बुक बनी
Practical. Okay, practical. Okay. Okay, so we talked about downward communication, upward communication, and together upward downward is called vertical communication. Then is we talked about horizontal communication, and then we talked about the diagonal communication. Now I'm just going to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this, because most of the time you get to write short paragraphs on this, or to bring out the differences between them, or to mention the advantages and disadvantages, which in book I believe is not given in uh, you know uh, in proper bullet points. It is explained with examples, but in exams it would be very difficult for you to write, I mean, interpret from that paragraph and write your own answers or advantages, disadvantages. So it's here. I'll quickly explain. With downward communication, we know the information flowing from the top level to the lower level is called downward communication, and it follows the hierarchy. Okay, I mean, the top level, then the middle level, then the lower level. Okay, I mean, it doesn't surpasses any of the channels, because the protocols are very strict for people sitting at the top level. Okay, or at the middle level. Lower level ke liye fir bhi, it's easier for them to understand, but it's not the same with people sitting at the top level. Okay, next, so advantages are that it helps in explaining organizational rules and regulations to the new staff members and the third parties. Okay, anyone working with an organization or any new member being added. Okay, so that those people get to know about what are the protocols they need to follow, what are the things they need to do in the organization as a part of the organization that comes down from the top level management only. Okay, next is it helps to exercise control over subordinates because they form, they formulate the rules and regulations. It becomes an easy way to help the subordinates or people working under them to bind them in one way of working. Okay, or that is called working guidelines also. Again, when everyone works according to the working guidelines, the communication becomes smooth. Okay, and that's the reason, in kit also, you people are being made to learn the protocols, made to learn the channel, that your first point of contact is your mentor, clear, and then you can move on to other people. Okay, next is it helps to motivate and extract maximum work from the subordinates. Why do we have these meetings with the founders, or people from different departments, the heads of different departments? It is just that when information comes from them, or when they come to motivate us, Okay, we feel that there is a connection. Clear? We simply don't feel कि ठीक है ये बंदा top level पे बैठा है and then we cannot reach them. Okay, so when they try to minimize the distance between the top level and the lower level, clear? This flow of communication becomes very easy, or at least you understand that you get a sense of belongingness. Okay, and when you have this sense, you put your efficiency more. Okay, so this is the case. Clear? Just a second, please. I have a call. Okay, I'm really sorry. We have an audit going on in our department, and it's just related to that. Anyways, come back. Okay, so these are the advantages, disadvantages, or the information passed is interpreted and reinterpreted at every level of the management people. Now, what happens is, in case if something is verbally, ordered or is verbally said, so people interpret it in different way, and that passes on to the next level in different manner. Okay. For example, the best example is the fake emails that are going on circulating about the reopening of this college. Yeah, this is not new for us. ठीक है, ये तब से हो रहा है जब से कॉलेज बंद हुआ है. So what you need to understand, the way the mail has been written, clear, the way mail has been sent to people. Okay, with when you analyze all these things, you can understand whether the mail is true or not, or okay, whether it is actually being sent from the officials of KIT University or not. It can be understood. Okay, so what happens is मीटिंग में किसी किसी बंदे ने सुन लिया होगा कि ठीक है कॉलेज खुलेगा ये होगा, there was the decision or the authorities decided that they'll be opening it, but they never confirmed the date. Okay, they were all set to have it after the Puja vacations, but they never come up. They never came up with a particular date. Okay, so what happened? This was misinterpreted by your seniors. I don't know who has done it. Yeah, but it is being circulated, and this is how the message is being passed on with their interpretation, with their own way of doing it, and everyone is simply getting confused. Okay, and this is how the information is also distorted. Okay, distortion means छेड़छाड़ करना. Okay, so message ये था कि college खुलेगा, we are all set to open it, but with the condition that if COVID cases are under control, we'll open the college. ठीक है, but इस message को distort किया गया and then 14th of November date announce किया गया. We simply have no idea. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of this. Downward communication, upward communication. When we people at the lower level, send our reports or inform about our works, we get to our superiors or people sitting at the middle level or the lower, at the top level. That is called upward communication. The advantages are we can share our grievances and they can be addressed at an early stage. This is what you are doing with your mentors. Your mentors are just above you people sitting at the middle level. So your grievances, all your applications are addressed by your mentors first, and then in case if it is it requires other people's involvement, it is sent to the respective departments. Okay, now it helps the management to take decisions promptly. Okay, now suppose I'm taking B5 and I happen to submit a report after your mid semester exams about your performance, about your marks, about how many we need to prepare graph for each class for each semester, telling them what is the performance of the class, okay, or how the class has responded to my teaching. Now, when I'm submitting this report, what happens? It helps the authorities to take a decision about my teaching approach, okay, or how my students are performing, okay, how my students are. अब पता नहीं तुम लोगों के पास अभी ये चीज है कि नहीं है. You need to submit the feedback. Okay, so everything is taken into consideration once I submit my report, and then the management takes a decision. Possibly, when I apply for my promotions, that is taken into consideration. Okay, so this is how it happens. These are the advantages, but it has disadvantages also that because some of the superiors do not respond or they are not very friendly, so the subordinates do not take an initiative to have a communication. Most of the time the employees simply they simply do not make any efforts to initiate a communication with their boss because of some bad incidents with them, or some kind of assumptions that they have कि ये तो सुनेगा नहीं, ऐसे ही है. ठीक है, this is how it is done. ठीक है, the information may be distorted again. मतलब these channels में this is what happens. Okay, मतलब तुमने कोई काम किया, फिर तुमने अपने सीनियर को दिया, उसको अपने सीनियर को पास करना था, but what happens? Most of the time the people take away the credit and they simply distort the information to be passed on to the concerned person, and midway में वो सारा चीज खत्म हो जाता है. And that's the reason we have diagonal communication being practiced in different MNCs or in the private companies, private organizations, because they understand that having a rigid communication channel can have all these disadvantages. Okay, so upward and downward communication is very rigid in government offices. ठीक है, मतलब अगर मैसेज टॉप लेवल से आना है, so until unless that comes down to their table in writing within the specified time period, only then they are going to take a call or their call of action, else they are not going to do it. ठीक है, but when it comes down to private sector, just because they have they have this free way of communication. I'll be talking about the network channels after this. So just because they have this free way of communication, they simply minimize all these disadvantages. Okay, now horizontal communication is the communication which is executed between people of the same level or equal level. Okay, मतलब assistant professor of humanities communicating with assistant professor of computer science is one level clear, but it can be either the same department, or I mean within the same department, or from the outside department. Okay, but the level has to be the same. मतलब top level पे top level के बंदे से अगर बात करें different department से या within the department से, then it is called horizontal communication. Middle level may be same thing, and the lower level also is the same thing. Okay. Advantages are that it helps in coordinating the activities of the department. Clear. Coordinating means, how am I taking classes with computer science students? Clear. I'm a faculty from School of Humanities. How am I taking classes with computer science students? Clear. The class schedule, the number of students in the class, the student list, everything is being coordinated with me, and that has made it easier for me to take a class with you. Okay. Next is it avoids duplication of work. It ultimately leads to reducing wastage of time, money, material, and labor. What has happened? Your mentors have made an official group, clear, or have shared the same student list with all the teachers taking the classes. Okay. Now this has reduced the duplication of work. Okay. Or say, for example, if I happen to make the question paper for mid semester exam for the computer science branch, and I am taking two sections, and sorry, I'm taking three sections, and the same question paper is to be prepared for other sections, and I'm coordinating with this. So what is happening? The reduplication of work is avoided. Okay. I mean, there will be one question paper for all the sections set by one person. Okay. So this is how the coordination is done, but it has again disadvantages, that it gives so many scopes for differences in opinion. Clear. And the politics, the jealousy, everything happens at this level. Okay. Because I mean, people have different approach to their work. There, people have different opinions and everything. So it is very likely to have difference in opinions. Okay. Next disadvantage is that the receiver does not give due importance to the message. मतलब क्या होता है ना, when your mentors who are at the same level, when they send us some message about the absence of your class, we somehow miss them, treating them कि ठीक है मेल में पढ़ा रहेगा, कभी जरूरत पड़ेगी then we will simply respond to it. ठीक है, most of the time this happens. The mentors, they keep on sending mails to the different mentors, and some of them really don't bother to send a reply. Okay. So this is how it happens. Then is the senders does not have any control over the receiver of the information. Okay. Control means it's just because it is very impersonal at this level. To have coordination, it's not necessary that you need to be personally involved with things, but just because it's work that needs coordination, that needs cooperation, most of the time people don't respond to your cooperation and coordination. Okay, they do it only when it is convenient for them. Okay, so you will learn all these things, the game and ethics of workplace. You will be learning all these things later. Next is diagonal communication, advantages, disadvantages. Diagonal communication, the straight line communication between higher and lower level of any organization. Okay, higher to lower level of any organization is called diagonal communication. Okay, it increases the efficiency and speed of the labor if positive relations are created. Okay. Now, what happens most of the time? The students, the people in one department is not in good terms with the boss of his own department, but is in good terms with the boss of other department. Okay. So, देखोगे, most of the time you don't have good terms with people working in your department, but it's not the same with people working in other departments. And there are several X factors to it, because you cannot complain. Most of the time you cannot complain, or at least talk about other people in your department with the people of your department. Okay, but you can freely talk about people of your department with people of other department. Okay, so this is how it comes up, and you have to have positive relations with everyone, and efficiency बढ़ जाता है because when you outlet your stress, or you outlet your work pressure with someone within the workplace, clear, it helps you. ठीक है, it simply helps you. ये चीज के बारे में we'll be talking about in informal communication within the workplace, that is called grapevine. ठीक है, I'll be talking about this. So it increases your efficiency, that you having trust at workplace with people are very difficult. It's totally a myth, to be honest. Okay, but in case if you are good at maintaining relationships, it can increase your efficiency and speed. Clear? Next is, it can be used as a team build up motivational tool. Yes, it can be done. Okay, but that can also be done with the diagonal communication, sorry, with the downward communication. But when a good leader, okay, to be honest, when a good leader or a good manager helps you out in your work, it always you should learn from these kind of people, and it can always work as an motivational, or enhancing your organizational efficiency or your organizational skills. Clear? Next is, it helps in challenge and production management of the firm. Challenge and production management is nothing but, in case if a crisis occurs, clear, or there is a result that you need to, produce, you can take help from other people who can help you with, just strategizing the thing, or helping people with, designating people on the project, which will help in the completion of the work. Okay, so this is called diagonal communication. Next is, for example, if I tell you, computer science branch is considered an elite branch in most of the technical institute. I mean, I have myself have been a part of technical institute. I have taught in technical institute, okay, especially with BTech courses, students with BTech courses. So we have seen, the value computer science has now, yeah, for the past 10 to 15 years, okay, with the advent of digitalization. Yeah, it was not the case with engineering. Mechanical happened to be at the top list. Okay, and most of the departments में अभी भी है. Yeah, mechanical, civil, electronics, they happen to be, somewhere on the top list. But just because computer science is treated as the lead class now, the number of students, so student intake in these departments are very high. So what happens is, controlling them, taking the exams and everything, they ask for help from the service department, and this is what we are doing, right? I mean, you have mentors from other departments, so this is just possible with the diagonal communication only. Okay, and the smooth working of the exams, or smooth conduct of different classes and all, it is just because of the diagonal communication. But disadvantage ये है कि it can increase the competitiveness. Obviously, मतलब तुम अपने seniors को देखोगे from other department that they are doing something which you can do, but it never came to you that you should do it, right? So it increases the competitiveness, or you would try to excel, or because of human jealousy and all, इसमें होता रहता है. Next is, it may consume time of the employees. For example, work chat groups do not have details of work assignment, etc., and they consume time a lot. Diagonal communication में क्या होगा? In case if you have good terms with people, ठीक है, other department, so some point or the other they try to exploit you. ठीक है, they will come up with कि यार ये काम कर दो, ठीक है, and they will not understand that you are overloaded with your own work. Okay, so just because you have to maintain good relationship, you will have to sit for extra hours to complete the task because you cannot say no. Okay. So at workplace, do learn to say no also. At times it is very important. Okay. I mean, your no should be having more importance than maintaining good relationship. It's very important. Okay. Else you won't be having a balance between your personal life and work life. Yeah, next is due to lack of proper communicative skills of employees, misunderstandings might arise. ये तो किसी में भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, but diagonal communication में इसलिए होता है because we interact with the lower level people and people sitting at the I mean higher level, ठीक है. Now most of the time we don't get your messages also. Okay, I mean your mails, the mails. If I start reading the mails, रुको, let me show you one example. This was very hilarious. I have my international mentees, okay, and they are simply uh, नहीं, ये तो फिर भी ठीक लिखा है मेल. I'll just show you. ठीक है. This fellow is from Rwanda. Hello, I am yes, Hebea. I'm really sorry, I cannot even pronounce their names. From Rwanda, I have applied to study to KIT and I have gained my admission letter, and after all, I have received my visa. I want to my roll number. Okay, this is one example. Okay, now this example, this is a what to say, this is a diagonal communication because this fellow happens to be in computer science department. I don't know which department, even मुझे पता भी नहीं है, but he's communicating with me. ठीक है, so there's a diagonal communication going on, and if he happens to send me this kind of message, what am I supposed to reply? Obviously there will be a misunderstanding, lack of communication, and even my communicative skills will not be able to answer to such messages. Okay, so understand, in case if you think that only your science learnings and your your graduation in your technical subjects is going to help you out, yeah, and you can take the liberty of not giving due importance to your professional communication, clear, or communication at all, clear, dear students, you're going to suffer. Yeah, and at that point of time no one is going to teach you कि look, this is your problem, or even identify you कि देखो ये तुम्हारा problem है. ठीक है, वहां पे people bully you for your non-communicative skills. They will bully you for the way you speak. Most of the time, we have seen how people, it's a brutal world outside. You are going to see the ugly faces when you start working. So by the time you graduate and you start working with a company, work on your blockages. I'm repeating this again, work on your blockages, please. You need to identify them. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages. I have come up with vertical, which is nothing but upward and downward communication, or downward to upward communication within an organization. That is called vertical communication, and it's the same. डाउनवर्ड और अपवर्ड के एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेज जो होते हैं सेम. ठीक है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू गेट दिस. ठीक है, एंड द स्टूडेंट्स डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वर्टिकल कम्युनिकेशन है, क्योंकि बुक में तो दिया नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज इट, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. क्लियर, अंडरस्टूड द advantages, disadvantage? Any question? Anything you want me to explain again?
Can you share this PDF?
I'll do this. I'll put it in the Google Classroom. अभी Thursday, Friday छुट्टी है ना. I'll do everything. Okay, I'm not doing it. I'll sit and do it for all the sections together. Anything that you couldn't understand? Yeah. Okay, so when you actually analyze the channel of communication, you also need to keep in mind its advantages and disadvantages. Okay, advantages and disadvantages को ध्यान में रखने से क्या होगा, the noise in the communication will be minimized. Okay, which channel of communication is to be followed, when, in what situation, is totally to be selected by you. But when you're making the selections, keep in mind the advantages and disadvantages. And why are you calculating the advantages and disadvantages? So that you can minimize the noise in the communication channel. Yeah, you can get a desired response. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है? Are you people
Yes,
even
ma'am.
listening? Wake up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stay awake everyone. बस सबके घर में ना दिवाली की
Wife से.
वाइब्स है, बस उसके बाद तो अब कुछ नहीं करना है. अब तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में है कि दिवाली है, द लास्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ द ईयर.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali,
Thank
ma'am.
you, same,
Ma'am, second
same.
last ma'am. छठ पूजा भी है.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy
अच्छा,
Diwali,
छठ
ma'am.
भी है.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
4th to 5th छुट्टी है क्या?
4th and 5th is a holiday. There is no holiday for Chhat. I mean, just because it's not a
Ma'am,
festival.
6th is also holiday.
Ma'am, this is not fair.
Yes. 4th and 5th is a holiday. छठ के लिए छुट्टी इसलिए नहीं होती because it's not a festival of Odisha, ना. You get so many holidays for the regional festivals
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
So Chhat is a regional festival. It's not a national festival.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Now coming down to your assignments. पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ, no one is left out in the list. Have you checked?
Ma'am, there are few people who have either left KIT or like whom I am unable
हाँ,
to
ठीक
find.
है. That is okay. In case if people are not there, if they are not responding, clear, you need not to bother for them. ठीक है, leave them. ठीक है, जितने लोग respond कर रहे हैं ग्रुप में, just prepare your things with them. Number 1. Okay. Number 2. No excuses that we couldn't complete the entire presentation because the other fellow was not responding. Okay, the other fellow happened to do some task, but somehow he didn't respond. Okay, so this excuse will not be considered at any level. ठीक है, नहीं, अगर वो बंदा respond नहीं कर रहा है, if they are not simply interested, clear, till the time you have your presentation, clear, or a day before your presentation, eat them, drop them, they will be marked 0. But you are not going to drop the entire presentation because one person did not respond. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, please understand that this is a group activity. This is a group activity, but you will be marked individually. Okay. I mean, it's practically not possible to listen to 75 or 85, presentations. ठीक है, वो पूरे एक सेमेस्टर में भी खत्म नहीं होगा. So this is a group activity, but people will be marked individually. So 15 marks for each one of you. Okay. So if one person is not responding, clear, he is totally not taking interest, need not to inform me, clear, just put the just drop these people, clear, inform the teacher that this fellow has not responded and he is not there in our group. And people who are deliberately missing out their assignments without a proper reason, clear, reason duly forwarded by your mentors will not be entertained. ये नहीं चलेगा कि मैम मेरा आज मन नहीं था, ठीक है, I couldn't coordinate with the group and so I have missed it, so please take my assignment again. No, yeah, because by the time the assignments will be over, you will have your mid-semester exams, and I need to finalize the marks before the mid-semester exams, क्योंकि mid-semester exams के marks आएंगे, plus this assignment marks I have to submit to the department. Okay, मतलब तुम्हारा 50 marks का जो evaluation है, okay, not 50 marks, 20 plus 15, 35 marks. Out of 35 marks तुमने कितने score किए, I'll have to submit to the department immediately after your mid-semester exams. ठीक है, so by December I have to submit your marks. So there is no scope कि तुम्हारा आज तुमने presentation नहीं दिया तुम फिर कभी दे दोगे. That will not happen. Clear? So make sure, take it seriously, and you are responding to your group members' call. Okay. Now coming down to the topics. The topics I have kept it open ended. ठीक है, तुमने अगर देखा कोई, I hope you understand what is open ended topics. ठीक है, you can explore any dimension of it. ठीक है, you can come up with any any comparison, any narrative. ठीक है, anything. You can show both the side. You can compare the factors. ठीक है, whatever you want to do, you just do it. All I want is note out. You know what I don't want to see. Number one is long paragraphs being copied from net. ठीक है, पहला चीज तो कि जितने भी टॉपिक्स दिए गए हैं, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द रेडीमेड प्रेजेंटेशंस ऑन गूगल. ठीक है, स्लाइड शेयर पे नहीं मिलेगा, कहीं पे भी तुम्हें रेडीमेड प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं मिलेगा कि तुमने बस कॉपी किया एंड यू हैव सबमिटेड एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन टू देम. ठीक है, और इस प्रेजेंटेशन में थोड़ा ट्विस्ट भी है. आई टेल यू दैट आफ्टर आई एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, so you will have to search for the information. Clear? First of all, sit down with your teammates, understand, discuss what you have understood with the topic, what are the things you can talk about which is relevant to the current time. ठीक है, जितने भी topics दिए गए हैं, these are very contemporary topics. Clear? Which is relevant to the present day. Clear? So you have to show that relevance. Okay, and to bring out that relevance, you are not talking about any history. Say for example, if there is a topic that what is media literacy. Okay, that's a topic, media literacy, need of the hour. That's with the last group, I believe. Clear? That I'm very I'm looking forward to that topic. That is what you need to learn, and this is what people are totally into it. Clear? But no one is talking about it. Okay, so no one is bringing out what media literacy means. Okay, when it started, who were the people involved in its establishment. I'm not totally interested in knowing the history. Yeah, bang on the topic from the very first slide. Bang on the topic. Okay, if anyone is coming with the history कि ये चीजें हैं, ये इसने start किया था, इसने ये किया था, वो किया था. ठीक है, you are simply telling your audience the things which are already known to them to certain extent, or they can find it easily on Google. Okay, so presentation का motive ये होना चाहिए कि though there are data's informations available, but it has never been presented your way. Okay, or you are giving your angle.
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
नेट कट गया.
Connection. Okay. ठीक है, तो I was telling you that though the topic is very obvious to everyone, but you are presenting your information in a way which is completely new for your audience. ठीक है, मतलब तुम उनको उस एंगल में सोचने के लिए मजबूर करो. ठीक है, कि ये भी एक साइड हो सकता है of the given topic. Okay, so for this a proper research has to be done, and when you research, what you do is you either bring the comparison of two factors, clear, or you either bring a narration to it, or either you pick up examples, facts and figures पे बात करोगे, no general sentences. ठीक है, general sentences means media literacy is the digital study. ठीक है, sentences like this should be avoided. Clear. Talk about what is the present status of media literacy in India. Clear. Are there facts for media literate people in India or not? Okay, or around the globe, whichever, as I said, it's totally open ended. India को confine करके करना है या फिर different countries को को भी consider करना है. When you're considering different countries, you can draw a comparison. Clear? So पहले तो sit down with your teammates and discuss the topic. The topic requires what? Whether it requires a comparison, whether it requires to talk about examples, whether it is asking you to show only facts and figures or explain things with graph. क्या है वो सारी चीजें तुम्हें पहले analyze करनी है. Number one. Okay, after you have finalized this, after a very thorough discussion, bring out the subtopics. ठीक है, कि this is the topic, इसमें subtopics क्या होगा, and say 5 member or 6 member in a group should get one subtopic each. ठीक है, media literacy के अंदर में, in case if you are picking up the datas of different countries, so assign one country to one person, the other country to other person, and so on. ठीक है, so what these people will do, I mean, this is how each one of you will get a subtopic of one topic. Okay, understood? Everyone will get one subtopic of the main topic. Clear? And what you are doing is, you are simply asking your team members to research and prepare 2 slides. Just 2 slides. One person needs to prepare 2 slides, and they need to put up their content on the slides, and that 2 slides should be sent to the team leader, okay, or the person who is compiling the entire presentation. Okay, I mean, there should be one presentation only, but everyone should come up with their researched content, draft 2 slides, yeah, and then send it to the person who's compiling the entire thing. Okay, now the person who is doing the compilation will have an extra work to do, is to check that all the slides are prepared in one font style and size throughout. Okay, because if it is not done in one font style and size throughout, it will be easily identified by the teacher that you have copy pasted. Clear? So after you have made everything, select all, font size select karo, font style select karo, and then have one style for for your presentation. Next is, keep the font size and style readable and professional. Stop using those showy fonts, jahan pe it's written in the cursive writings and all. No, it should sound professional. Okay, unnecessary use of images just to decorate your template should be avoided. Only relevant images should be taken up. But what should happen that it shouldn't happen that only images, I mean, images are the first thing that appears on your slide. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, बच्चों जैसा टेम्पलेट भी सिलेक्ट नहीं करोगे कि एवेंजर्स का टेम्पलेट सिलेक्ट कर लिया है and then you're presenting your presentations. No, please understand that it's professional, and the more simpler, subtle templates you will select, that is what will look highly professional. And no one is actually bothered about your template, but you should understand that it should reflect your professionalism, and your content is more important, your way of presentation is more important. Okay, that has to be taken care of. No long paragraphs, bulleted points. Clear? In case if you're quoting something, in case if you are taking up any graph, any facts, figures, you need to give the source at the end of the slide. Yeah, after the thank you slide, it has to have the reference slide. Okay, copy the links and put it there in the last page. Okay, now 6 members, 2 slides each means 12 slides. Okay, एक front slide and one thank you slide, which is 14 slide, and a reference slide. So all in all, no group should have more than 15 slides. No group should has more than 15 slides. A group may, I remember there are 7 people. Clear? So you people can have 16 slides, okay, but not more than that. Restrict your information to just 14 slides, 2 slides each. And the person who is concluding, who has been given the task of preparing a conclusion, should show how your presented draft with your presented research, you are coming to a conclusion. Okay, that has to be done. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया अभी क्या करना है? So
Yes,
no
ma'am.
excuses, no excuses that just because one person was not responding. Okay, so I really, the entire group didn't prepare the presentation. Okay, and when you prepare the presentations, on one corner, do mention your name and your roll number. Okay, name, roll number, and your section. Okay, because this task is assigned on the Google Classroom also. After you present, you will have to upload, one member from the group will have to upload it to the Google Classroom. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, and the twist here was that I will not be evaluating your presentations. Okay, this is a twist. Group 5 will be evaluated by 2 or 3 teachers, because I'll be on leave from next Thursday onwards, and I'll be on long leave for 15 days around, 15-20 days around. Okay, so I have assigned the task to other people, and the same list has been shared with them. Clear? So what you're going to do is, you will not change the dates, okay, until unless you inform the teacher or you ask them ki whether they can do it. नहीं, मतलब करना ही मत छोड़ो, मतलब that will create a confusion for them as well. On the scheduled dates, you have to be ready. Okay, no excuses कि छठ है, ये है छठ में अभी बहुत टाइम है. Start preparing. You do your task, and during the presentations, ये भी नहीं है कि एक बंदा present कर रहा है, ठीक है? The person who is assigned with their slides have to be there. Clear? You have to present. Okay, that is mandatory. If you are not presenting, you will be marked absent. No one else on your behalf will be presenting it. Okay, now next is, when you're presenting, don't read out the slides. People can read it, right? You have a literate audience, they can read what is written on the slides. You need to explain. Your communication skills will be tested. Okay, your paralinguistics will be tested there. Okay, so no one is reading the slides just because it's written there, and you can easily read it out. वो सब नहीं चलेगा. Okay, it's a strict. The other teachers, if you are reading out, if they mark you poorly, I won't be able to help out. Okay, so prepare well.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, not everyone have their laptop, so it will be difficult for everyone to make 2 slides each.
क्यों? स्मार्टफोन तो सबके पास है, and I don't think so normal smartphone होगा आज के डेट पे किसी के पास, right? पापा मम्मी से तुमने अच्छे खासे महंगे फोन तो ले ही रखे होंगे. प्रेजेंटेशन तो आराम से बन जाएगा. when you can prepare videos, टिकटॉक के वीडियोस, रील्स बना सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे, पीपीटी तो बन ही सकता है.
सॉरी मैम, सॉरी रील्स बनाता है मैम.
ठीक है, and then just prepare the content. You can take a help from your friends, send them the content, they can prepare it on your behalf. It's totally how you're managing things. ठीक है, it's a teamwork. A task has been assigned to you, you know your limitations, you know your resources, and then the entire coordination, the entire planning is up to you. ठीक है, कैसे काम करोगे? People will be ready to evaluate your work that it is. ठीक है? Any more questions? मुझे कुछ नहीं सुनना, मुझे कुछ नहीं सुनना कि मैम I'm not able to work with this fellow. ठीक है, this person is not responding. ठीक है, keep all your personal issues to your level only. ठीक है, I mean, please don't bother the teacher with too many foolish questions. Grow up, behave like a graduating student. Am I clear?
Ma'am,
Follow.
can I send a group link of our group in the official WhatsApp group?
You can do that. You can do that. I mean, you can simply use the our PCOM group for sharing the link and everything.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do that, but no spamming there, please. Once you have your own group, just work on it.
Okay, ma'am.
और कोई
Ma'am,
डाउट है?
how should we decide the team leader, ma'am? Is there any advantage of being a team leader?
No,
I
no
mean, marks ज़्यादा
advantage,
मिलेगा
no special marking for the person. It is just that you learn how to coordinate with everyone. Okay, and your bonding will start from here. कि first semester में, first assignment में, you have helped me. ठीक है, you were there in my team. ये ऐसे memories बनेंगी. ठीक है? So कौन team lead करेगा नहीं करेगा, it's totally your decision. ठीक है? Who can act maturely here? उस चीज का टेस्ट है. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ma'am,
You're not audible.
was there in any group? Like, ma'am, one of our teammate is not in. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
हाँ. Say it again. I missed it completely.
Ma'am, one of our teammate is not in any group. Like, we are not able to find him anywhere. So, ma'am, what to do?
What is his roll number?
Ma'am,
Put it here. I mean, you're not audible clearly. Put it here in the chat box. There are
okay,
some.
ma'am, let me see.
There are some regular absentees. Clear. I simply have no idea why they're not responding. Maybe they have withdrawn their admissions. Okay. So maybe I can help with that. I mean, in case if you don't find anyone, responding, I can check from my attendance and then I can tell you whether they are there or not. Okay. Or at least I can provide you their contact number.
Ma'am, 2105 820.
820. Sai Manmohan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This fellow is a absentee. I mean, regular absentee.
Ma'am, 845.
845. Tarish Deepak. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Tarish is here. He is very much present.
780.
780. Ashutosh is also here.
Ma'am, it's 781. Ashutosh. Two Ashutosh.
There are two
1800.
So Ashutosh Rawat and Ashutosh Kumar Rawat both are present in the class.
800.
Ma'am,
800 is Karthik. Sharma is also there.
ma'am, 837.
837. Sumit Bhushan is a absentee, regular absentee.
So, ma'am, there are two people in my group who are not.
ठीक है, doesn't matter.
What the
Doesn't
name
matter.
is?
Okay. Discuss all
see.
these things later. Let me take the attendance. I have another class. Chalo, mark your attendance, please. 66. Write it down here in the chat box. Ajay, कहाँ गया? 66 is absent. अच्छा, present. 67. 68. 68. 69. 69. अरे please mute yourself. पापा को बाद में मनाना. Please mute yourself. Let me take the attendance. 69 is not there. absent 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 80. Anirudh, अब wait करो. 80, 80 is absent. He's here. 80 is absent. Okay. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 86. Absent. Okay, he's here. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 93.
Present, ma'am.
Write it here in the chat box. 93, 94, 95, 94 is absent. Okay. 96, 97, 94 is present. Okay. 97, 98, 98, absent. 99, 98 is here. 99, 800, 801, 801, absent. 802, 803, 804, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 809, absent. 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 is absent. 20, 19 is present. Okay. 20, 21, 22, 23 is there. 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 28 is not there. Shashi. Okay. 28 is there. 29, 29, 20, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34, Shubham, 35, 30.